Hi, my name is Sebastiano Dessanay. I'm a composer, a jazz bass player with a classical and contemporary background. Over the years I've developed this exercise for double bass, which I think it's very useful for classical students, but jazz players too, who often use the bow. When I was a student, I often stopped and observed closely all the mechanical and physical aspects related to the bass technique, as if I was using a magnifying lens. At one point I realized all these aspects should be covered in every practice session, first on their own and gradually paired to other aspects. Though I spent hours, even days, on each single technical aspect, I decided then to squeeze them all in a 10-minute exercise for several reasons. Once I concentrated mainly on jazz playing, I realized my classical technique, my bow technique, started to suffer, and I needed to warm up every time and get the rust off and get all the mechanisms oiled. Also, once I entered the professional life, I realized I didn't always have a day or even half a day or even a few hours to practice in a focused way. But I realized I always had 10 minutes a day in which I could cover the basics. And finally I decided to use the word Zen, because I realized the importance of practicing calmly, with no rush, slowly, in a sort of Zen-like focused way. I still use this exercise when I don't have time to practice, and I hope you'll find it useful whether you're a student, a professional or a teacher. If you're interested and want to buy this booklet, you can go to the doublebass.hq.com website in the shop section, where you find for only $10 a PDF version. Thanks for watching. Bye.